In this video, we will see how to configure GNS3 desktop application to use IOU images. Let's get started. First, we will download GNS3 VM from GNS3 website. We can do a Google search for that. So this took us to the GNS3 official website, which shows us different option for downloading GNS3 VM. We can download it for VirtualBox, we can download it for ESXi or the VMware workstation or the Microsoft Hyper-V. We will today use VMware workstation image. Let's download it. It has started downloading. I have already kept a offline image that I downloaded earlier. So let's use that image. This is the image that I downloaded from GNS3 website. I'll right click on it and select open with VMware workstation. This will deploy this OVA image in VMware workstation. Click on import. It is importing the GNS3 appliance. So the import has been complete. We will not power on this VM when we will be configuring the settings on GNS3 application. It will power on this VM itself. Let's close this and open GNS3 application. Here we have to go to edit, preferences. In the GNS3 VM tab, click on enable GNS3. It has pre-selected the VMware workstation for me and the name of the VM GNS3. I have two VMs in my workstation, Windows 10 and GNS3. I'll let the GNS3 VM selected here and click on apply. It will open up the VMware workstation itself and power on that GNS3 VM. Let the VM to come up. Till the time this VM is booting up, let's download VMware appliance from GNS3 website that we will be requiring to import in GNS3 for running the IOUs. Now let's go to marketplace in the GNS3 website and click on appliances section. Okay, so let's use search feature of the browser using Ctrl F and search for IOU. We can find Cisco IOU L3. I'll open it in a new tab and look for Cisco IOU L2 appliance as well. So we will download both the appliances from the website. Now we have downloaded the appliances. Let's go to GNS3 and import these appliances there. Now I will go to File, Import Appliance, select the appliance that I had downloaded, click on Next. So it says ready to install. It is not asking for any images because it has found all the images in my local binaries folder that I have specified in the Preferences tab. I'll show you where those are. So this is my local folder, binary images. I have defined this path in the GNS3 where it can look up for all the images. So we will click next. It is asking for confirmation. Click yes. and then finish. The appliance has been installed and the template named Cisco IOU L3 155-2T has been successfully created. Click OK. Now similarly, let's import our L2 IOU appliance as well. Open. It will again ask for the place where we have to install this. Now it is scanning the directories to find the binary images. As I have already defined the path where GNS3 has to look for binary images, it is not prompting for me to import it manually. It has auto detected the files in my binaries folder. Click next, give confirmation, and then finish. Okay, so now we have to add license to GNS3 VM so that we can run IOU. We have to go to the VMware workstation, and here we will notice that the GNS3 VM console is showing its IP address and the username and password for SSH. Let's use these details to SSH into GNS3 VM. Okay. So in SSH also it is showing the same console. We have to click on OK and select shell to run the CLI of this VM. We will again come back to this SSH session. Now let's open WinSCP. You can find and install it from Google. From here as well, we have to connect to this GNS3 VM. Here we have to go to the specified path, that is opt GNS3 images IOU. You will be able to see a lot of images here that we uploaded few minutes back. Now in the left hand pane I have also opened my local directory which includes a file named keygen.py. I will be adding link to this file in the description. We have to upload it. Okay, it is uploaded now to the GNS3 VM. Let's again go to the GNS3 SSH session. We will go to the same directory where we have uploaded the keygen Python file. We are able to see the keygen file here. Let's try to run it. The command will be python space keygen.py. Since Python is not installed, let's install the Python. We will have to update the apt libraries. Using this command, we will install the Python now. It is asking for confirmation. Say yes. So Python is installed now. Let's run our keygen file here. Okay, so We got the license now. You can see here. We will copy this, open a notepad, paste it in the notepad and save it. Name the file as iou.rc.txt and close it. We will again go to the GNS3, edit, preferences, IOU on Unix. Here we will browse that license file. It will show us the license as well in this box. Click on apply and OK. Now we will run our IOU images. First create a blank project. Drag this IOU router to the project area. Now let's see if we are able to see layer 2 IOU as well. In the switches section, we should be able to see that Cisco IOU L2 15.1G. We have L2 as well as L3 IOU configured now. Let's start these. So we will log in into these IOU images now using the terminal session. Right click and select console. Show version. We are able to see that this is running Unix based system. System image file is Unix opt GNS3 images, the same path where we uploaded all these images. Let's open our another router. This is our L3 device. It is also running IOU image. Isn't this great? Thank you for watching this video.
If you liked this video, please do like, comment, share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.